how to log into your Vinted account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Vinted is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. After opening the application here, what you're going to do is make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your Vinted account, right? So after making sure that you do remember, there's no further complicated process that you need to go through. All you need to do is simply tap on the option I already have an account, and after doing that, you can either continue with any of those platforms if you have sign up using any of those platforms, or else you can simply tap on continue with email and go along with the process of adding down your username or email address and the password of your account. Then tap on login, and like that you'll actually be logged into your account, right? So in here, in case if you have forgotten your password, then you can also tap on the option forgot your password, then enter your email address, tap on continue, and go along with the process of how you'll be able to recover your password of your account too. So yeah, that is all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.